Okay, even the best of the pond builders here, sometimes they get a little hole in the liner. You gotta put some underlayment on there, or some you gotta put some alcohol, which cleans off the liner, and you gotta put on the primer, which kind of cleans it and gives it a nice tacky feel to it. And then you cut up your section of Firestone approved one-sided tape. This is a 6-inch tape, so I'm going to cut like a 6-inch square piece right there. Just going to place it right over the hole, and then we'll rub it down with our little roller here, and we'll be in business. So here's our little hole right here, and I've cleaned this area with the alcohol and the liner prep. And I'm just going to take the patch, put it right over the middle of the hole. Make sure it's still clean, nice good contact. And then you rub it down with our roller. And then it's pretty much like it never happened. This is on the outside of the pond. You could put another one-sided overlap tape that would cover this up. Or you could put a caulking here around these edges that would help seal it up even more. But this is all going to get covered up with rock. It's unlikely it's ever going to come off in 50 years. There we go.